Day 29. Let's get right to it. 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 Boom. 238. We started 250 today. Cool, whatever, man. We got a swing trade going. Shout out Earl Startle Investments. I'm going to get straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? We're playing with a bull flag right here. He wants it to break out by hour 4. That was at 9:54. This is around hour 4 now, a little bit past hour 4. Cool. He got a call for Marvel 70. A $70. He wanted to get the $70. Let me pull out Marvel so y'all can see what that John got on. Boom. So he wants to get the 70. So you already in the money. Cool. He wanted it for $410, $4.10 per share. I couldn't afford that. So we rocked out with the good old $74 call, expiration date, 7/11. You know what I'm saying? Got it at 250, current price 238, down $12. But we're going to swing it. And we're going to get into why Marvel is a good thing. And I'm going to go over my XOM trade so y'all can see how that went earlier. Because we did good, you know what I'm saying? Can't knock the hustle. So we got in at 171. We got out at 201. Realized profit at 30. You know what I'm saying? So good early morning trade. Oil definitely did not perform well today, so I'm glad we got out of that so y'all can see the oil hype. The oil hype was nice. If we would have got these prices, I would have been up like 114. Would have got at 114, would have been up, bro. But no need to cry with spilled milk. You know what I'm saying? They had they good vibes in the overnight market. So when they got to us, they didn't slaughter that jump. I got out early. I got out around this time. So it's the game that we play, bro. It's like hot potato, I think. So hot potato me into the $30 profit. Now we trading Marvel. My man Earl Startle shouted out that bull flag. You know what I'm saying? It's looking good. It's been performing well, actually. Just not in the past year to date. Year to date is down 36%, $40. Cool. This past month is up 12%. This past week is up 2%. So it's moving in the right direction. It's looking bullish, honestly. Now let's go over what Marvel is. Because at the end of the day, all this do, if you're not going to want to invest in it if you don't know what it is. Cool. Marvel is a tech company that makes chips, semiconductors, basically the tiny brains inside data centers, 5G systems, and AI servers. So they make the chips to make the stuff work at the end of the day. They build custom chips, but they just not like NVIDIA or other big companies like Taiwan Semiconductors. Like, it's not on that level as far as the notoriety, I guess. But it still do what they supposed to do. They give people what they need, like Meta, Google, Amazon. They be helping them out. But these companies are starting to get their own chips, starting to make their own chips. Cool. So that's why it's kind of falling off, because they not really innovating. But it still got the pattern and technicalities is like showing. So, and that like over the last year, they up 63% for they actual money. They got 1.9 billion in revenue. So they getting bread. They profit basically doubled. And they stock dropped earlier, so it's like a cheap version of NVIDIA. It could get back to like 120, 130, honestly. You know what I'm saying? Like, this what it dropped from. 123, 125. Let's see what the 52-week high is. 52-week high is 127. We trading at $70 for an AI chip. Unheard of. NVIDIA is like 140 right now. Unheard of. So I just play it by ear, you know what I'm saying? It looked good. Right now, today is not, we called it at the top. No problem. We waiting for that bull flag to break out. And it's gonna be a swing trade. It's not gonna be a I'm trying to get out of it right now anyway. So it is what it is. That's a 330 update. I'm loving it. Even if it is negative right now. My a lot of calls start off negative and then they end up positive if you just stick with it, hold it, wait for your time to get the profit off of it. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't really stunting that jump, bruh. Not in the slightest. Not in the slightest. It's too good of a company to really even be concerned. Looking at this, I don't feel no type of way. Probably at the beginning of this, I probably would be having a little bit of anxiety. Like, man, I really done messed up. But everything set up to win. Just like XON was set up to win. We caught it at the tail end. We didn't catch it at its peak. But we getting closer and closer to catching stuff at its peak, man. Closer and closer. So I'm loving Marvel, bruh. I say y'all go ahead and hop in their car, honestly. Let's look at what they got. Let's see if they got some more stuff. Like if I was y'all, I'd look into this one. Yeah, see, if I would have waited until right now, I could have got a July 18th, $75 call. Got a nice amount of open interest and volume. So it pays to wait, you know what I'm saying? But we'll get to it at another time, man. Just like I said, it's the best time to trade is right now. The best time to trade is right now. So maybe after I come up off of this one, I'll start trading at 330. But just moving, trying to still learn the game. It's not that big of a deal. So on to jiu-jitsu.